Morning student of class 1. I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss about the exercise question answer of chapter 2, which is computer a machine. So let's start. Before going to question answer section, we take a quick review of the chapter for better understanding the question answer. And as I told you that I would provide the question answer PDF, you need to click the link in the YouTube description box and the PDF will be automatically downloaded in your phone, and then you can write the question answer on your computer copy from the PDF. So let's start. In this chapter we already know about the we already discussed about the machine. Number 1 is machine, number 2 is characteristic of machine, number 3 is the computer as a machine, number 4 is types of computer. So let's go to the number 1 section, machine. Machine is a thing that is created by the people to make our work easier. Here is some features of machine. Machine makes our work easy. We use many machine every day. The bus which brings you to school is also a machine. The refrigerator which keeps your water cool is also a machine. Here is some example of machine: computer, television, bicycle, motorcycle, fan, light, mobile phone, etc. These are the example of machine. Here you can see a image. Here is motorcycle, iron, and mobile phone. These are the example of machine. We already discussed about this topic. Okay, so next, here is the features of machine. The main features of a machine is machine makes our work easier and save our time. That means makes the machine make our work very easy and also saves our time. Every machine has one and more parts. Like computer has many parts like keyboard, CPU, mouse, etc. All parts of a machine work together to complete a task. Okay, machine are man-made object. That means the human being made machine. They cannot work their own. Some machine runs on electricity, like TV, fan, refrigerator, etc. And some machine runs on fuel, like motorcycle, bus, etc. Some machine are manual. Okay, these are the features of machine. Next is the computer as a machine. Why a computer is called a machine? Number 1 is computer is a smart machine. Number 2 is the computer makes our work easier and saves our time. The computer has many parts like CPU, keyboard, mouse, UPS, etc. All parts of the computer work together to complete a task. It is a man-made object. It cannot work its own. It can never get tired. It can store many things in it like words, number, picture, etc. And its work on electricity. So these features are similar to the to machine. That's why the computer is also called a machine. Okay. Next is a quick review of this chapter. Machine makes our work easier and saves our time. Machine are man-made object. Number 3 is all parts of a machine work together to complete any task. The computer is an electronic machine. It works according to our orders. It has many parts like the keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, and UPS. It never make mistakes. That means computer always correct. Okay, computer never get mistakes. Next is the computer never gets tired or bored. It can store pictures, words, and numbers in it. Desktop, laptop, and tablet are some types of computer. This is a quick review of this chapter. Now we discuss about the question answer. Okay, exercise question answer. Here is the question answer, number B. You can also see in your book. Number B is fill in the blanks. Number 1 fill in the blanks is the computer is a machine. Number 1 is already done in your book. Number B is machine makes our work easier and saves our time. Number 2 is Number 2 fill in the blanks is time. Okay, you can see here time. Number C is the computer works according to our orders. Okay, computer works according to our order. Number 4 is the keyboard is a part of a computer. Number 4 fill in the blanks is keyboard. And number 5 is computer works on electricity. Okay, number 5 is electricity. Fill in the, these are the fill in the blanks. Okay, next is number C, true false. True false means the statement is correct, we write there true, or the statement is incorrect, we write false. Okay, against false. Number A is all parts of a machine work together to complete a task. That means we all know that a machine has many parts, and the all parts are work together to complete a task. That means this is true. Okay. Next is the computer cannot work their own. This is also true. We order them, then the computer will complete the task. Okay. Next is machine makes our work difficult. No, this is wrong. The machine makes our work easier and also save our time. That's why this statement is false. Okay. The computer is a man-made object. True. The computer is a man-made object. Next is every machine has one or more parts. We all know that a machine have many parts, like computer has many parts like keyboard, mouse, etc. That's why the statement is correct. These are the true false. Okay, next is answer in one word. Okay, the object in the picture given below will give you the answer. Here you can see the pictures. Okay, now number 1 is name a machine that used to travel short distance. Okay, name a machine that used to travel a short distance. Bicycle. Here you can see the picture of bicycle. Okay, number 1 is bicycle. Number 2, name a machine that can store words, number and picture in it. We all know that computer store different things like word, number, picture, etc. That's why the second number is computer. Number 3 is name a machine that used in cooking. Toaster. Okay, this is called toaster. Toaster is a machine that used in cooking. Next is 4, name a machine that used to remove wrinkles from clothes. Okay, the iron is the machine. Okay, here is the number D section question. Okay, next, rearrange the jumbled words in the brackets with the help of the words given below. Number 1 is smart, number 2 is fast, number 3 is tired, number 4 is data. Now you can see on your book question number E, rearrange the jumbled words. Okay, number 1 is the computer is a smart machine. Okay, number 1 is smart. Okay, number 2 is the computer never gets tired. Okay, number 2 is tired. That means the computer never gets tired. Number 3 is computer work very fast. Number 3 is fast. Number 4 is computer store data in it. Okay, we can store pictures, word, etc. But all the thing is a data. Okay, next is, here are the inside question, some inside question of this chapter. Define machine with example. We all know that a machine is a thing that is created by people to make our work easier. And some example of machine are computer, television, telephone, fan, etc. There are also other example like bus, motorcycle. These are also the example of machine. And next is write the characteristic of a machine. Machine makes our work easier. We all know machine makes our work easier and saves our time. The machine has more parts, one and more parts. All parts of machine work together to complete a task. They cannot work their own. Some machine are runs on electricity. These are the features of machine. Next, number 3 is what are the different types of computer. We all know that desktop is a desktop, laptop, tablet. These are the types of computers. Okay, hope all of you understand this chapter and also the question answer. and every student need to read the chapter carefully for better understanding the topic. And as I told you that I would provide all the question answer as a PDF. So no more today, I am ending the discussion here. We will continue a new chapter in my next video. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care, and thank you.